Do you have bladder leakage when you're out on your morning run? Or maybe are you experiencing some leakage when you're sneezing because of all this pollen out there? If you're going through that, you're not alone. Let's talk about it. I'm Dr.Mbong Henry. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist and a women's health coach. And my goal is to help empower women so you understand your body and you can get rid of those leaks and annoying chronic pain so you can get back to doing the sport you love. So let's talk about leakage. There's different types of leakage. There is stress incontinence if you are accidentally leaking with exertion, so maybe getting out of a chair, coughing, sneezing, or even with sports like running, doing box jumps, pull-ups, or deadlifts. So any leakage when you're exerting yourself is called stress incontinence. So you might be wondering, why is this happening? So let's talk about your pelvic floor. Your pelvic floor is this red on the model here, red muscles that live inside your pelvis on your underwear area. These muscles have a job of keeping you dry. They need to relax when you pee, poop, have sex. And if you are leaking, there's a chance there's something going on with your pelvic floor muscles. Now, treatment for pelvic floor muscles is not a one-size-fits-all because it really depends on why you're leaking. So one of the things I do at Radiance is not only do we talk more about when you're leaking and what else is going on, we look at your pelvic floor muscles. Are they doing their jobs the way they should? We also look at the surrounding areas like your hips, your back, and your deep abdominal muscles in your belly. It's really important to know that your pelvic floor muscles don't work by themselves. Did you know that pelvic floor issues are just not something that people who have babies deal with? There's a lot of research on this. About 30 to 80% of female athletes that have never had babies experience some sort of leakage. And you might be doing sports like tumbling, gymnastics, track and field, volleyball. So it's really important to know that if you're going through this, that you can get help and that you don't have to let leakage distract you or slow you down from having fun working out. So working together at Radiance, we get to the root of your problem so you can get back to running and feeling better.